Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in profit and loss. Friends, problem is given in the description box. Friends, say the cost price of article P 100x, cost price of article Q 100y. Friends, average cost price is given. Average cost price of P and Q is 1350. So sum of the cost prices of P and Q, that is 100x plus 100y is equal to 2700. 1350 into 2. 100x plus 100y is equal to 2700 implies x plus y is equal to 27 by dividing by 100. X plus y is equal to 27. Say this is equation 1. Friends, now the article P is sold at 10% profit. So then the selling price of article P 110x. The same way, article Q is sold at a profit of 20%. So the selling price of article Q is 120y. Sum of the selling prices is given 3120. Say this is equation 2. Friends, we want the cost price of article Q. We want y. So let us equate x terms. So I am multiplying the equation 1 with 110. 110x plus 110y is equal to 110 into 27. 0, 11 sevens 77, 11 twos 22 plus 7 29. So friends, 10y is equal to 0, 5, 1. 10y is equal to 150. Friends, the cost price of Q, the cost price of article Q is 100y. 10y is equal to 150 implies 100y is equal to 1500. We want the selling price of article Q if it is sold at a profit of 40%. So the selling price of article Q is equal to 1500 into 40% profit means 140%. So this is equal to 0, 14 5s 70, 14 1s 14 plus 7 21. 2100 is our answer, friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.